computing is a phrase used to describe the development and use of computer technology over the internet. It means using resources like processing, storage, messaging, databases from the net and only paying for what is being used. It is like on-demand computing. This flexibility provided by the internet is leading software developers to release their online versions of their programs, used for photo sharing, file storage and other similar applications. With cloud computing, both the software and the information is held live on centrally located servers rather than on end-user's computer. This helps users to access the information from any device with an internet connection, even on a mobile phone. It allows corporate data centers to operate more like the internet by enabling computing globally when they want, how much they want and where they want, without any restrictions in terms of machines or servers. Virtualization is yet another term that will become more commonplace in the future. It is referred to the creation of virtual versions of an operating system, a server, a storage device or network resources. It essentially lets one computer do the job of multiple computers by sharing the resources from a single computer across multiple environments. It is similar to dividing the hard drive of a computer into different partitions like D or E drives. Virtual servers and virtual desktops let users host multiple operating systems and multiple applications locally and in remote locations. This helps in saving energy, cutting down costs, more efficient use of hardware resources, results in better desktop management and increased security.
Now, let's take off the AMD Head of India marketing tag. Sure. Let's just talk about you. You're seeing interesting things happening both in your R&D labs at all across the world. We're seeing that supreme battle per 6 months or per year between you and Intel of, trying to come up with a better processor faster, the world's this, carries on, which I think is great for us consumers. But put all of that to one side. What's personally exciting you and into the future? And your range can be whatever you like, a year, 2 years, 5 years. Personally, what do you think is going to be the next radical revolution that will absolutely have a jaw-dropping impact on our lives?
Well, personally for me, the biggest amount of excitement is to make sure that AMD as an organization gets the rightful space that it deserves.
But that's as you said, India marketing still talking.
As you said, I need to take off my hat. Technology really progresses or anything changes for the better only when there is some sort of a competition.
Okay.
So personally for me, as an individual or as a professional, the most exciting thing is to see change happening.
Okay.
We would be getting into, as we were talking about cloud computing domain and how the form factor of all computers and the way we use computers and the way they are so ubiquitous in our lives, that's going to be very, very exciting. Okay. And being a part of that in our lifetimes, I think is the most exciting thing for a professional to be.
All right. So thank you for coming on the next big thing, and especially when you have that zero power processor that we'll be having, I hope to have you back right here. Thank you so much for coming on the next big thing. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
The next big thing.